Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best CO2 pump is probably one of the most essential, yet often overlooked, pieces of equipment for any cyclist, whether you're a seasoned road racer or a casual trail rider, as a flat tire can bring your adventure to an abrupt halt, and having a reliable and efficient CO2 inflator can mean the difference between a minor inconvenience and a major setback, allowing you to quickly and easily get back on the road or trail with minimal disruption to your ride. Number 5. Pro Bike Tool CO2 Inflator. Get back on the road or trail in seconds. Our innovative one-turn valve system provides rapid inflation with precise CO2 control. It works seamlessly with both Presta and Schrader valves. Keep your CO2 cartridges securely stored in the integrated canister. The leak-free, insulated connection ensures a reliable seal every time. It's designed for 12G and 16G threaded cartridges. This inflator is perfectly sized to fit in your saddlebag or jersey pocket. Its lightweight and compact design makes it easy to carry on any ride. Crafted from durable CNC machined aluminum alloy, this tool is built to last. Choose a reliable inflator that won't let you down on your adventures. We stand behind our product with a satisfaction guarantee. If you have any concerns, we offer refunds or replacements. For the best experience, pair it with our CO2 cartridges. What we like. This inflator offers incredibly swift tire inflation with its one-turn valve system, making it perfect for quick fixes on the go. It also features secure cartridge storage, so you don't have to worry about leaks or losing your CO2. If you prioritize a durable, high-quality build and need a reliable tool for both road and mountain bikes, this is a solid choice. What people say. The pump is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry on rides. It inflates tires quickly and efficiently, saving time and effort. The CO2 cartridge system is simple to use, even for beginners. Number 4. BriskMore Black CO2 Inflator. Introducing the BriskMore Black CO2 Inflator, your reliable companion for quick tire inflation. Its classic, durable, compact, and lightweight design makes it perfect for any cyclist. Never worry about compatibility again. This inflator is designed to fit both Presta and Schrader valves seamlessly, ensuring a tight seal with no leaks. Crafted from strong and durable aluminum alloy and alloy steel, it's built to withstand the rigors of your rides. Precision machining ensures lasting quality. Experience effortless and precise tire inflation with its simple control valve. Get back on the road in seconds and enjoy your ride without delay. It comes with an insulated rubber foam sleeve to protect your fingers from the cold during operation. 3 spare washers are also included for your convenience. We stand by our product's quality and your satisfaction. Enjoy a lifetime warranty and replacement if you encounter any issues. What we like. With its classic, compact, and lightweight design, this inflator is easy to carry on any ride. It boasts a leak-free seal and is compatible with various cartridge sizes, offering flexibility. If you're looking for a dependable and user-friendly option that comes with a lifetime warranty for peace of mind, this is the one for you. What people say. This CO2 pump is incredibly compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry on rides. The pump is very easy to use, even in cold weather, with a simple trigger mechanism. It inflates a bike tire quickly and efficiently, saving valuable time during a ride. Number 3. CO2 Inflator Kit with 16G 25G cartridges. Don't let a flat tire slow you down. This kit provides a quick and convenient way to inflate your tires, getting you back on the trail or road in no time. It's perfect for both intense mountain rides and fast-paced racing. With a 16G cartridge, you can inflate a large mountain bike tire to 40 psi in a single shot. This means less effort and more riding, even on challenging terrains. This inflator is incredibly compact and lightweight, easily fitting into your saddlebag or jersey pocket. It works with both Presta and Schrader valves, offering versatility for any bike. It inflates a flat tire in seconds with minimal effort. However, please note that CO2 can leak faster than air, so it's best to re-inflate before your next long ride. The inflator head is designed to work with any size threaded CO2 cartridge. An included insulated sleeve protects your hands from the extreme cold during use. Remember, these cartridges are recyclable and for single use only. Whether you ride a road bike or a mountain bike, this kit has you covered. It can inflate a road tire to 100 psi and an MTB tire to approximately 40 psi. Always handle with care due to rapid cooling. Never store cartridges in hot places or leave them in a car. Ensure the device fully punctures the cartridge head for proper function. If gas is released slowly or freezes the head, discharge fully before proper disposal. What we like. This kit comes complete with CO2 cartridges and an insulated sleeve, offering a convenient all-in-one solution for getting back on the trail fast. It's designed for both tough mountain rides and fast-paced racing, ensuring you can inflate your tires quickly. If you want a ready-to-go kit that includes everything you need and prioritizes rapid inflation for performance cyclists, this is an excellent option. What people say. This CO2 pump is very compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry on rides. It inflates tires quickly and efficiently, getting you back on the road in no time. The design is user-friendly, with a simple mechanism for attaching to the valve and releasing CO2. Number 2. CO2 Bike Tire Inflator. Introducing the CO2 Bike Tire Inflator, your ultimate solution for quick and easy tire inflation. It's compatible with both Presta and Schrader valves, making it perfect for all your cycling adventures. Experience rapid inflation with our upgraded design. The control lever allows you to precisely regulate the CO2 release, ensuring a smooth and controlled inflation process every time. This inflator is designed to be compact, portable, and lightweight. Its simple yet solid construction makes it incredibly easy to use and carry on any ride. Enjoy a secure and leak-free connection with its durable CNC machined aluminum construction. It's designed to work with all standard threaded CO2 cartridges and ensures a perfect fit for your valves. Never get caught with a flat tire again. This tool provides efficient and reliable fast inflation, making it an essential companion for races, group rides, or any timed event. We stand by the pro quality of our inflator. For the best performance, we recommend using premium threaded CO2 cartridges. Plus, we offer a refund or replacement if you encounter any issues. What we like. This inflator provides a precisely controlled release of CO2, allowing for easy and accurate inflation without freezing. Its CNC machined aluminum construction ensures a safe and secure connection with no leaks. If you're a cyclist who values control, reliability, and a professional-grade tool for quick inflation during races or group rides, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. This CO2 pump is very compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry on rides. It inflates tires quickly and efficiently, getting you back on the road in no time. The design is user-friendly, with a simple trigger mechanism for controlled inflation. Number 1. CO2 Bike Tire Inflator Pump Kit. Stop wasting CO2 with our innovative trigger control. You can release it gradually, inflating smoothly until your tire is just right. A built-in lock prevents accidental discharge. This inflator is incredibly reliable, even after years in your toolkit. It requires no batteries or charging, and is based on a design trusted by cyclists for over 17 years. Inflate your tire in seconds without overinflating. It fits both Presta and Schrader valves and features a quick-release lever for fast removal. This compact inflator is easy to carry in your pocket or saddle bag. It comes with a CO2 cartridge and a bike mounting bracket, so you're ready to ride right away. We back this product with a lifetime refund or replacement guarantee. Our tech support is also available to help you with any questions. What we like. Featuring a smart trigger control, this inflator allows for gradual CO2 release, preventing waste and ensuring you stop at the perfect pressure. It inflates tires in just seconds and comes as a complete kit with a cartridge, making it incredibly easy to use right out of the box. If you need a portable, reliable emergency inflator that's simple to operate and comes with everything you need for immediate use, this is ideal. What people say. This CO2 pump is very compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry on rides. It inflates tires quickly and efficiently, getting you back on the road in no time. The pump is compatible with both Presta and Schrader valves, offering versatility for different bikes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.